Default arguments in Python seem straightforward until you hit the mutable default trap that can silently corrupt your data. Let's see how to use them correctly. To define a function with default arguments, assign a value directly in the parameter list using equals. For example, def greet with name equals guest sets guest as the default. When you call greet without arguments, it uses the default. Pass an argument, and it overrides the default. The default value is evaluated once when the function is defined, not each time it's called. Python enforces a strict ordering rule. All parameters with defaults must come after parameters without defaults. You can't put a required parameter after an optional one. This keeps function signatures unambiguous. Here's the trap that catches everyone. If you use a mutable object like a list or dictionary as a default, it's created once and shared across all calls. Each invocation mutates the same object. This function looks innocent, but every call without an items argument appends to the same list. By the third call, you have 1, 2, 3, all in the same list. This is almost never what you want. The safe pattern is to use none as the default and create the mutable object inside the function. Now each call gets a fresh list. Other safe defaults include immutable types like integers, strings, tuples, and none. Always ask yourself, will this default be shared across calls? If yes, move it inside the function body. Default arguments make your functions more flexible and easier to call. Just remember the syntax, the ordering rule, and always avoid mutable defaults. Practice this in your next Python project and you'll master it. Happy coding! Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.